Hello everyone, it's Brian here, the UK Bitcoin Master, and welcome back to my video series. But this is a video with a bit of a difference. You're either watching this on YouTube, which is fair, but the idea was to get this on Steemit. So hopefully you're watching this on my Steemit channel, which is at Buzz27. And if you are, I'd like to say thank you very much for all your support over the last year or so. But the at Buzz27, the branding's all wrong for my business branding. So what I've done is I've created a new Steemit channel, which is steemit.com/at UK Bitcoin Master. And if you followed me, if you supported me, if you've upvoted my videos or you follow me, could I ask you to click the link under this video that will take you over to my new Steemit channel? And if you'd kindly do the same over there, certainly start following me so that I can gather some momentum with that new Steemit account, bearing in mind I've been on Steemit for over a year now. If you do that, I'd really appreciate it. So this one you're watching on the old Steemit channel, which is at Buzz27, and if you click the link below, you can go over to the new Steemit channel and click the follow or upvote or whatever you need to do, because there'll be a video similar to this over there. That is it, guys. Thanks for all your support on this channel. Hopefully you'll support me again on the new channel, and I'll catch you over there.